I will talk about how can you deactivate or delete your account on your Threads app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down, you click on this sign down here. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. So then you go here above this sign, click on it. Then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do, so just click here on account, you just click on it. Then you come to next step here. Then all you have to do now, just click here on deactivate or delete profile. You come to next step here, click here on deactivate profile here. So then you just click here on deactivate, or here can you delete your profile. Then you add here your password or Instagram password. Then here you click here on delete Threads profile. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.